Foxconn, one of the largest contract manufacturers of Apple products, has committed $1.5 billion to expand its operations in India, likely to ramp up iPhone production as Apple shifts away from its reliance on China. During Apple's Q1 2025 earnings call, CEO Tim Cook identified India as the primary source for iPhones destined for the US market in the upcoming quarter, marking a significant shift in Apple's global supply chain strategy. Besides Foxconn, many foreign manufacturers have tapped into India's Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme, which offers financial incentives for boosting domestic production and exports. In addition to promoting large-scale electronics manufacturing, India's Production-Linked Incentive scheme spans a diverse set of industries, including those critical to national security, such as pharmaceuticals, medical devices, telecom and networking equipment, and semiconductors.
The PLI has been enormously successful. It's appropriately called the large-scale electronic manufacturing PLI because it has taken mobile phone manufacturing from 2 lakh odd crores to more than 5 lakh crores. So it has been enormously successful.
India is rapidly emerging as a global manufacturing hub, powered by the Production-Linked Incentive scheme launched in 2020 under the Self-Reliant India vision. By offering 4 to 6% subsidies on incremental sales across 14 key sectors, including electronics, pharma, and automobiles, the scheme is attracting major players like Apple and Samsung. With $2.67 billion earmarked for electronics alone, India is positioning itself to capture a significant share of the $1.5 trillion global market. As of November 2024, the PLI scheme had approved 764 applications, including 176 from MSMEs, generating $18.72 billion in investment and $162.84 billion in production. This momentum aligns with the global China Plus One strategy as companies diversify supply chains away from China. India is seizing this shift as a golden opportunity, using targeted incentives and a strong policy push to transform into a global manufacturing powerhouse.
Every country and every industry started thinking of China Plus One about 10 years back. And every country started giving some incentives, some facilities. India also worked upon an incentive called PLI, which is Production Linked Incentive. This scheme is very unique and perhaps not available in many countries or any countries, if I can say.
India is rapidly emerging as a key player in the global technology supply chain, driven by initiatives like the Production-Linked Incentive scheme. In the telecom and networking product segment alone, cumulative sales have reached $9.48 billion, with exports making up 18.6%. The scheme has also created over 26,000 jobs. Buoyed by this success, the government has expanded the scheme to include 11 more telecom and networking products, offering broader opportunities for performance-based incentives. Looking beyond smartphones, India is targeting high-value sectors such as semiconductors, batteries, and drones. With cost advantages, technical talent, and strong policy support, India is well-positioned to drive sustained economic growth and support global supply chain diversification.
When in 2014 or 15, the question used to be, who's manufacturing in India? But after the reforms and after the schemes, today the question is, who is not manufacturing in India?
India's transformation into a global manufacturing hub is no longer aspirational. It's underway. With robust policy support, rising exports, and major global players investing under the PLI scheme, India is firmly positioning itself as an indispensable pillar of the global electronics and tech supply chain.